Hello guys, welcome and thank you very much for joining me in this video. My name is Mike and this is IPO Market Watch. And if this is the first time you are checking out this channel, check out the rest of my videos if you want. Check out this video, make your decision, and if you like it, consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button, as that really does help me. A quick update on ticker symbol LUNR before we go on with the video, guys. Just a real quick update. Today at 2 p.m. Eastern time, which by the time you see this video, maybe, I don't know when I'll put it out, the conference will be already done and completed, or maybe not. But today at 2 p.m. Eastern time, press conference with NASA on the overall what's going on with the mission with intuitive machines. You know, there's going to be surprises, I think, and I think they're going to be positive surprises. I think that's just my opinion, and so that's really going to help out ticker symbol LUNR. The only thing that I do hope is that CEO Steve stays out of this press conference, which is not going to happen. But if he could just like not say anything, it'd be great. But it would help out. Or maybe they should get somebody else to be a spokesperson for Intuitive Machine. I'm on the lookout all the time for great stocks, and that is the case over on my Discord called Bull Market Watch, but so is the case here on my YouTube channel. I cover initial public offerings, and I also cover every single stock there is on the stock market, or I try to, and I try to find great companies to invest. With that being said, in this video, I'm going to present to you and show you a company that I believe is, for us, the next best thing, or let me take that back. For me, I can't talk for you, but for me, the next best way I can invest on the next Amazon before it becomes the next Amazon. I mean, think about it. Wouldn't it be really nice if we could go back in time and get into Amazon, Google, Tesla, all of those before they exploded? Like, if we can just find a time machine and go back there, people would be like, wow, you're such a genius. How did you know to get in those stocks so early, right?
It's a time machine, Napoleon. We bought it online. So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on. I forgot to put in the crystals. It's a piece of crap. It doesn't work.
So, because in the United States of America, guys, it is very hard to find a stock that will be the next Amazon. It's literally impossible at this point because Amazon is dominating the US market, right? Sure, there are some other companies we can invest in that are equally good enough and so on, and our investment won't, I don't think that it's going to go bad. Like if you were to invest in, I don't know, can't find the next Amazon. So what I thought is, let me just go outside of the United States, somewhere where something is emerging and is pretty much going to be the Amazon, but outside of the US, right? But before I get to the stock, which I think that you will want to know, yesterday there were really big news, awesome news. It really surprised all the analysts, and in the after hours, the stock was going up. All right, let's head over to my Discord real quick, because on February 25th, 2024, I had talked about ticker symbol CLDX. It was at 37.75. As you can see here, this is the post that I made on my Discord. I explained some news and I said that this would be a good swing trade. 37.75, guys, February 25th, the stock right now hit $52 in after hours, which is awesome, right? So with that being said, guys, we're gonna get to the stock right now. The stock that I want to focus on in this video is Coupang, if I pronounce it right, CPNG. And over on my Discord in 2023, on November 6, 2023, guys, I said that CPNG is a buy at $16.94. And the stock in after hours, guys, hit $19 US, as you can see right here. Also in the Discord, which is something that I really like, we have a channel called Dark Pool, guys. And if you clicked on that on February 26, if you had gone into the Dark Pool on February 26, you would have seen, because this comes live, the posts come in live, you would have seen that on February 26, 2024, 5:23 p.m. Eastern time, there was a dark pool trade for CPNG where somebody bought 958,000 shares at $16.39, spent $15.7 million. So that should have drawn attention because the earnings were just days after. Why would somebody spend $15.7 million to buy CPNG before the earnings? Stock right now is at 19 bucks. So that's a useful feature that we do have in the Discord. Now, if you've been following me since 2020, let's say, you would know that I have done YouTube videos reviews, full analysis and reviews on CPNG before it went public, before it was even trading on the US stock market before. These are some of the videos. In this video that I did, and that was on March 8th, 2021, if I remember, I did that video before the company went public, and I said that why I'm not buying Coupang IPO, right? So it was going to IPO, and I said that I will not buy it. One of the reasons was because Coupang was coming out into the stock market at like 50 bucks a share, which was for me insane at the time. There was a lot of uncertainties. Sure, there were a lot of positives, but the stock for me wasn't worth 50 bucks. Sure enough, I was right, and the stock went from 50 to crash all the way down to where it went. So Coupang is one of the largest e-commerce companies, guys, in the world, benefiting from cost structure, convenience, and a wide product range. The company's diverse logistics infrastructure, including rocket delivery, sets it apart and contributes to high customer satisfaction and retention rates. The big surprise yesterday with Coupang, guys, was with the earnings, and it just shocked everybody, including me. I mean, I did, like I said, I did think that Coupang was a buy, and I did call it a buy on November of 2023, but these earnings were just, wow, amazing. The company recorded yesterday a non-GAAP EPS of 8 cents, and they beat by 2 cents, and the revenue of $6.5 billion beat by $150 million, and that revenue was up 23.1% year over year. So Korea is a massive and fast growing market. In 2023, the market was estimated to be about $483 billion, and by 2027, it's estimated to grow to $563 billion. But is that enough for Coupang? No. If you want to be the next Amazon, you got to go international, right? Just like Amazon is in Europe and so on. Yesterday, they also gave us a presentation, and in that presentation, they gave us some really good key points, such as older cohorts, which are still growing fast, and the newer cohorts growing faster. We can also see that the total net revenue is up 23% year over year. In Q4 2022, they had $5.3 billion, and the Q4 for 2023 is $6.6 billion. If we look at total net revenue year ended Q 2022, that was $20.6 billion, and for the year ended 2023, $24.4 billion. Net income is also up $930 million year over year, and the gross profit is up 32% year over year. Are there any risks with Coupang? Yes, there's risks like market slowdown, economic slowdowns, recessions. There's risks of management not hitting the targets as far as expanding outside of South Korea and into other countries like in Japan, Taiwan, and so on. Does the company do common stock dilution? Yes, they have. This common stock dilution compared to from 2022 to 2023 has been 1.3% year over year dilution. As far as analysts is concerned, the analysts are giving it a price target anywhere from 18 to 24 US dollars. All right, so what's the conclusion in this video? Basically, in my opinion, Coupang is the next best thing.
The best thing that has ever happened to me. I'm 100% positive that she's my soulmate. Napoleon, I'm sure there's a babe out there for you too.
I believe that Coupang, for me, is an investment, not a trade. I don't want to be in Coupang for the short term, for a quick day trade, for a quick swing trade. No, I want to be in this stock as an investor for the long term. I feel that this company is the next best move I can make to having an early position in the next Amazon type company. Sure, there's Chinese companies that we can get into, but the Chinese market is, having a really tough time, and regulations and US-China tensions. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and I wish you guys all the best. Take care.